In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe payments into Zoho Books, a streamlined way to manage your transactions and financial data. Whether you're a small business owner or managing accounts for a larger company, this integration can significantly simplify the way you handle customer payments. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Zoho Books website. You can easily find it by searching for Zoho Books on your preferred search engine, or you can go directly by typing in the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. Having immediate access ensures you won't run into any roadblocks once we start adjusting your settings. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, our next step is to navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically represented by a gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a variety of options related to how your Zoho Books is configured, but for this task, we are interested in customer payments. So go ahead and click on Customer Payments. This option houses everything related to how your business receives money from your clients. Now, within the Customer Payments section, we will set up the Stripe integration. Stripe is a robust platform that allows businesses of any size to accept payments over the internet. It's known for being highly secure and easy to use, making it a popular choice among Zoho Books users who want to enhance their payment processing capabilities. When you reach the Customer Payments section, you'll see a list of payment gateways that you can configure to work alongside Zoho Books. Here, simply locate Stripe from the list, a familiar name for many handling online transactions, and click on it. After selecting Stripe, you'll see a prompt that reads Set Up Now. Clicking this will guide you through the setup process, from entering your Stripe account details to authorizing the integration. The instructions on screen will lead you step by step, ensuring you've everything configured correctly. And essentially, that's it. Once everything is set up, your Zoho Books account will be equipped to receive payments via Stripe. This means your customers can settle their invoices more conveniently using credit cards, debit cards, or any other method supported by Stripe. This integration not only cuts down on the time you spend manually tracking and reconciling payments, but also helps streamline your entire financial management process, allowing you more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. I hope this tutorial has been clear and informative, making your journey into integrating Stripe with Zoho Books as smooth as possible. If you have any questions or run into issues, be sure to check out Zoho's dedicated support resources for more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.